This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your deleted apps on your Samsung phone. So to do this, we can just go over to the Play Store and open this up. And under here we can find our deleted apps. So if we go to the top right, go to our profile, select this right here, and then we can go down to Manage Apps and Device. Then go to Manage on the top. Now we can see this device. We can go to Not Installed. So if we download an app, it's still going to be on our account. It's just not installed on our phone. So we should be able to see it under here, and I'm going to turn off airplane mode real quick because I can see this is on. And then I can go back. Now the app should show up under here. So I'm not sure if it's under most recent, recently updated. We can check that out. So if you deleted an app, it should show up on the top now. So it looks like I must have deleted Discord. So I can go ahead and just install this on my phone now. Or I installed this on a different phone recently. I think maybe that's the reason why this is on here. So I can start re-downloading it now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.